What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about some very exciting Shiba Inu news. Now, I started my channel talking about Shib. You guys know I've been a long-term holder of this. That's mainly where a lot of you guys probably found me, is off these Shib videos. So you guys know I had to update you guys on the new ShibaSwap staking feature. It's about to release. It's here. It's done. There's a video that's released about it, and we're going to talk about that today. Some crazy Shiba news and why I think that this is going to potentially beat Doge in the long run. We're going to talk about all this in today's video. So if you're new, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram if you want to be entered into my $2,000 giveaway. You guys saw the last winner, doing another one now, and as well as check out my Discord down below. I know a lot of you guys don't know which coins to invest in, and that's my job. I basically find all the good coins like a 10, 20, 30x. We had a couple 300x's last week, and then I tell you guys when I'm entering, and you guys can follow my trades and pretty much just have a great community behind you to tell you which coins are good or which coins are bad, and it's just an awesome community. So if you want to join that, raising the price next week. I just rose it yesterday. It's gonna keep getting more expensive as we keep getting more members in. So if you want to be early and you want to take this crypto stuff serious, take it to the next level, join up, link in bio. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I said, we're talking about ShibaSwap. You guys know ShibaSwap has been teased for months now. I started my channel like 2 months ago almost. I think we're nearing 2 months. That was my first video, was talking about ShibaSwap and their new staking feature that they got. As you can see on screen right now, we have a video. We actually have video footage of how this is gonna work. As you guys know, we only had screenshots last time, so they kind of went through and gave us a really good explanation on everything. And I'm really excited because a lot of this stuff is gonna really help in the long term. You guys know you can stake most of coins now. It basically just brings you money in every single day, just as much as you're staking. So for Shib to do this is a massive step forward, and I think this is going to eventually catapult this stock, because you guys know Shib has literally been so slow on releasing this. Like, it's been teased for months and months now, and we're finally getting it. And I'm not even mad that it's been teased this long, because they've just been trying to perfect it, which is good. There's a reason why it wasn't released earlier, and that's probably because it wasn't a finished product, which I'm fine with waiting a little bit longer. But I don't know, I just really want to make this video, get it quickly out to you guys. ShibaSwap is here, it's finally on the horizon. We can see the future. And if you're a Shiba holder, make sure to leave a like on this video and spread the word, because we're trying to boost this price, trying to get more people to know about this feature that's coming out, and that Shib is probably the king of the dog coins. I truthfully think that this is going to be the top one someday, beyond Doge. Like, Doge has no utility behind it. Shib does, and that's the crazy thing about this. So for all my dog coin holders out there, keep holding. We're in a dip right now. I made a last video saying if dog coins are dead, like all these brand new altcoins coming into the space, I think it's good that those are kind of dying out, so the more likely to be Shib on like the Zoots and Shib and the Hawks. Just a really quick video. I'm upload twice a day now, and I got a new setup coming out. Probably gonna do some live trading on the channel soon, so if you see me going live, make sure to tune in. And I love you all so much. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video if you want more Shib, more Hawk, more dog coins, or just tokens in general. You know, I'll upload everything. So do all that. Follow me on Instagram to enter into that giveaway, and then check out my Discord, like I said, if you want to just double your money and you want to take this crypto stuff serious, because we're on a ticking time bomb with this crypto stuff. Everybody says we're in a bear market. People say we're in a bull market. If you want to capitalize and make life-changing money like we all have in the chat, go ahead and join now. It's discounted, I guess, if you want to say that, because we're raising the price next week. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.